Hey everyone, it's your girl Jasmine, aka Cashmere the bartender, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I got these beautiful, shiny, moisturized, bouncy curls out of this perm rod set, all you have to do is keep watching. I'm starting off on 2-week-old cornrows. I did have some extensions inside, so I'm detangling and basically removing all of the cornrows and the extensions as well, just so I can prep my hair for detangling and a rinse. So while I'm in the shower, I do a finger detangle, rinse out, deep scalp massage, and I pre-section my hair into 6 twists to make it easier for the style. So aside from the oils that I use, this product is the absolute go-to product. It's the CANTU Leave conditioning foam, and I don't use a whole lot of it, but when I do for this style, it's 2 pumps per section. And I'm also going to be using the CANTU natural shea butter. It's actually a little concoction that I mix together between the two. It's the leave-in conditioner as well as the coconut curling cream. So I just blend that together in an available container and just use it per section, as well as 2 pumps of the foam. may have noticed that I do not tightly wind up my hair all the way close to my scalp. Since I'm sleeping on this style, I prefer not to have it that close. And even if I wasn't sleeping, I just don't want to have those definite parts in my head when I'm taking down this style. So this is definitely a great way to help you perfect the results. As I take down each perm rod, I prefer to take down the perm rod and separate them individually as opposed to taking down all the perm rods and then going back and separating them. I can't seem to find all of the perm rod coils, so instead of taking additional time to find them all once I've taken them out, I'm just going to go ahead and take them down individually and go ahead and separate them. I can speed up the process and have a little bit more control over my results. And for me, this definitely works a lot better because I typically have frizzy hair. So if I wind them around my finger, I can define the curls 10 times more. these are my final results. These curls are so soft, shiny, bouncy, and lightweight. I slept in a satin bonnet with my hair in a pineapple to preserve the style for as long as I possibly could. It lasted about a week, but I could have made it last longer. With all this harsh cold weather on my hair and my scalp, this dryness really took over, but this style really is a big lifesaver for me, so I recommend you guys give it a try.